guys, welcome back to another video on Izzy Cheerdancer Productions. Today it's really tonight, I was walking around in my backyard when I saw like the clouds for all different kinds of colors, and I just really wanted to show this all to you because it is so beautiful. I want to know how they do this. It's so pretty. I love that. I could look at that for hours. I hope you guys find that as beautiful as I do. I just really like that. My beautiful plants back here. Okay, that one looks dead. It's not exactly beautiful. Sorry. The pool is pretty cool though. But I really like that. I just wanted to show that to you. So, it was kind of out of the ordinary, but I just wanted to show that to you. I hope you thought that was beautiful as I thought that was. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.